message was transmitted at the request of the United States government in the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not test. To repeat, this is not test. Our world is coming to a burning halt. At 10:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, NASA just discovered that Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, is colliding with our planet. When that happens, giant tsunamis will form. Massive earthquakes of a Richter scale will form, and the sun will be blocked for entire 200 years. There is nothing we can do to stop Europa. There is no way we can stop this situation. Go into panic mode. If you are a whole person, pray to your god or goddesses. May God be with you all.
You probably might be wondering, why did you make it low pitch? Well, it's because ever since my EAS scenario about Hyperion, I just wanted to make this scenario even scarier by making this national anthem thingy low pitch. And then by my next scenario, the sound will be even worse. So will the siren as well. So prepare yourselves for the next one that is coming out soon. Bye bye.